Have you ever wondered what space sounds like? Would it sound very loud because there's supernovas happening here and there? Or if you were trapped in space and you screamed, would we be able to hear you so we can help you out? Well, the answer to those are no, you wouldn't be able to hear a supernova. And if you're screaming in space because you're stuck there, nobody can hear you calling for help. So let's get into why that's the case. Sound is actually made up of vibrations. And the way that this works is say that I'm talking to my friend and my friend is sitting over there. As I'm speaking, molecules will be bumping into each other all the way until they get to their ear. The problem here is space is a vacuum, meaning there are no molecules or air for this vibration to happen. So sound is unable to travel. If you were in space and a space shuttle flew right past you, you would be able to see it, but you wouldn't be able to hear it, which is quite fascinating because on Earth, space shuttles are really loud and you can feel their vibration, but in space, you wouldn't be able to hear it. So long story short, there's no medium in space for sound to travel, and that's why it's silent. But here's the thing, there are planets and moons out there that have an atmosphere. So depending on what planet you're on, your voice itself would sound different. In some planets like Mars, you might be more high-pitched, but on planets like Venus that has a very thick atmosphere, your voice might sound a lot deeper. For example, on Mars, NASA's Perseverance was able to pick up sound of its wheels on its ground, making crunching noises. So depending on which planet you go to, your voice itself might sound quite different.